Akasoza usezame ngandlela zonke ukucitshisa ukukhombisa uthando. Amkela ndoda.
Hi guys, I actually wasn't planning on speaking on today's vlog. Yeah, I was befuna ukuyenza into esa montage. Do you call it a montage, right? I'm not sure, but a silent vlog. I want to show you guys a few items that I got. I got 2 parcels. One is saying but I haven't seen what's inside. So let me show you. Address. Yeah, well, this one is from Zendo, this one is from Bash. I got something from the Fix. So let's start now. Zendo. First and foremost, I got a belt. Cause that Shein belt, be kalpoti man. And I don't want to make this video long, like maybe my past 5 minutes. So I got a belt, and I got. Oh, all of these items were on sale, by the way. Like, I spent 424 plus 70 rand shipping. So that's how cheap everything was. Got these sandals. They're from the brand Lena. These sandals, and I also got them in brown, the same sandals, just different color. Yep. And then I got loafers because I need to focus more on my shoes because I don't have shoes, man. Shem. Got these loafers. It was a cop for me, Shem, because bezu 200 and something rand, and that was the sale price. Original price was like 900 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they look nice. That's the sole. They're very strong also. And then from the Fix, I got And then from the Fix, I got that jean. Remember, got that jean. So the jean was in Sunnyside. I remember in Sunnyside, yo. So I was like, let me just buy it online, and then that's what it deliver. Jean thing. Super excited. And Yona, here's my jean. I think I want to fit these, and yeah. Oh, guys, if the Fix is fighting, I'm in these days. Maria Nunga, I need to wash this because I'm planning on wearing this on Saturday. So yeah, let me see if it fits, and yeah.